welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl DominiqueSymone, and I'm here of course with another video. Why else would I be back here? So this is my version of the Basic To Baddie look. You know, this is how I do my makeup routine whenever I'm getting ready to just go out on the town, or I just want to look bad as fuck, period. So what I did not film me doing putting on my mascara on my bottom lashes and a little liner down there. And also I like to put my beauty mark back on my face. I like my beauty mark, so I still want it on my face. So I just take a little bit of liquid eyeliner and pop it right back on right there. Okay, so so I went ahead and did that. So I did want to talk to you guys real quick about a couple of products, because this video is going to be a voiceover. My NARS foundation. This foundation is absolutely amazing. I did not know that. I was literally missing out all this time. I really could have just bought this foundation and probably never bought another foundation in my life. I did not know that this foundation was going to be this good. I think what scared me the most about buying it was the price of it. This foundation retails for $49, okay? $51 with tax. So I always wanted to try it out. So when I finally was like, okay, Dominique, stop being a sucker and go ahead and buy it. So I went ahead and bought it, and I absolutely love it. I have gotten plenty of compliments on my makeup before with different foundations, but in one day with this foundation, the first day I wore this foundation, I wore it to work, and I literally got so many compliments I didn't even know what to do. I was just like, oh yes, it's this foundation. Oh, it's this foundation. It's this foundation. But when I hit the people with the price, I was like, oh, I don't know. I don't know if I spent enough $49 on a foundation. But when I tell you it's worth it, it's worth it. It's all day luminous weightless foundation. I can read some of the things that the box says. It's supposed to be weightless, 16-hour wear and oil free. All day luminous weightless foundations reaches an extraordinary level of perfection with ultra lightweight, complete coverage and a uniquely fluid, silky feel. Ideal for all skin types and tones. It sweeps on weightlessly. It does. Absorbs quickly. It does. It blends easily. It does. For all day natural luminosity. So everything that this box says, I can attest to. It does. It does. Like, it's very much weightless. It blends out super easy. Now the 16-hour part, I would not say I can wear this foundation for 16 hours, because I will say this, I wear this to work. I am very busy. Even though I work inside, I move around a lot all day. Right here in my T-zone, it gets very oily. So the first couple of times when I wore it, I tested it out with different primers. And the one day when I did wear my Betta Ever Matte primer, which is the only primer that I have that I know that will help me with my oil in my T-zone. So I wore that, and by the time I got home about 10:30ish, I was leaking oil through here. It was a little too oily for my liking. It wasn't too bad. I probably could have just, like, if I was getting ready to go out somewhere, I could have just blotted it, fixed it up a little bit, and called it a day and went on about my business. But I probably would not wear this foundation for no 16 hours. I wouldn't wear any foundation for 16 hours, as a matter of fact. So I can't. I don't like to. So when I tell you that this foundation is bomb.com, it's bomb.com. Like, I don't think I've been on here to really rave about any foundation like this before, but I love this foundation. I love this foundation. I also have the concealer, wherever it may have went. I don't own it, but I also have the concealer. The concealer is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. It retails for $30 by itself. This is a great concealer. It's weightless as well, very creamy. It's not like full coverage, but it gives a nice coverage for everyday wear. Honestly, I will literally wear these two products every single day, and it's amazing. So like, if you want to just splurge one day and just want to try it, if you like a luminous look and you just like to look like this, I would recommend you going ahead and trying this foundation. It's amazing. It really is. So just test it out, see what primers work best with you, and then, you know, boom, there you go. You got what you need. So without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Very quick video, basic to a little baddie, you know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and click the little bell, okay? See y'all. Okay, guys, so I'm actually going to do my brows on camera this time. And once again, I'm going to use my NYX brow pencil in the shade dark brown. So I first started out by brushing my brows out, and then I started outlining and filling them in. And then I brush them out again just to get out all the harsh lines. And then I go ahead and clean my brows up with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW45. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm taking my Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I'm using this because it's so freaking cold today and I need that extra moisture up under this foundation. The foundation I'm using today, as you guys know, is the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And I already told you guys how I felt about this foundation. So, yeah. The brush that I'm using to apply this is my Sigma F82 brush. As you can see, this foundation has pretty good coverage, and you see how easy it is to blend this foundation out. And it's very buildable coverage too if you want a little more coverage, but I don't like all that foundation, so this is perfect for me. So I'm going to go ahead into my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have mine in the shade of Monday, medium dark 3. And I'm just applying that to my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and go ahead and start blending that out. Young Tarzan. Now I'm going back into that concealer on my forehead because I felt like the beauty blender, I felt like it took most of the product away and didn't really put it in, didn't keep it all on my forehead, so I just had to go back in and went with a brush instead. Now I'm just going to take my Sachs Buttercup setting powder and I'm going to set my under eyes, my eyelids, the bridge of my nose and my forehead, and around my upper lip. Believe it or not, I did not like this powder. I think I had this powder for probably about 2 years, but like for the first year, I wore it a couple times and I was like, I do not like this, so I just kind of ditched it. But lately, this has been my favorite powder. I guess I just learned how to work with it. Next, of course, I'm going into my Nubian 2 palette. And I'm going in the shade Kenya to do my contour. Young Tarzan. One day I'll try to get back into cream contouring, but as of right now, I'm just going to stick with my little powder contour because me and that cream contour did not get on. Seriously. I was like, what am I doing? So I'm just going into my black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark, and I'm taking that contour shade and just kind of like blending it out and making it look a little more warmer and softer. I'm going into my Milani Romantic Rose blush. I'm just going to add a little blush on my cheeks. You know, y'all know I like a little blush. I'm surprised that I've been branching out. Usually I use my MAC Raisin blush faithfully, but I'm trying. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 setting spray, and I'm setting my face right quick. And then I'm also going to take my Mario Badescu. Like, y'all, it's cold, so I'm trying to keep as much moisture in my face as possible. So I'm taking these lashes at 25mm lashes, and once again, I got these from a place from where I'm back home. She does not have a website, so if you want to know where I got these lashes from, I can tell you, but I don't know if y'all gonna drive or gonna get them. Y'all know I usually do my lashes off camera, but I said I want you guys to see me struggle putting on my lashes as well. Trust me, I'm no way, no how a professional with this stuff. I struggle just like you guys. Going back into my contour palette, I'm going to take my Morphe M505 brush. I just wanted to add a little bit of that contour shade to my eyelids, just to give it a little natural pop. You know, I just contour my eyelids a little bit, I guess, too. I feel like my eyelids were naked. So I'm going into the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is the 100 Molten Gold highlighter. For some reason, y'all, I have been loving this one. For when I first got it, I did not like it, but it kind of grew on me since my last video. If you haven't checked out my latest video, make sure you check that out. I'll leave a card up above so you can just click on that if you want and go check that out. But ever since that last video, I've been loving this highlight, so you'll probably see more of this on my channel. Yes, like look at that glow. You can't tell me. Maybelline, y'all did y'all thing. So I just wanted a little more pop, so I went in with my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Conceited, and I just added that on top of the already glowing highlighter. So I just wanted to glow a little bit more. So I'm taking my NYX Lip Liner in Expresso, and then I'm gonna take some lip gloss. I've been loving lip gloss lately. I haven't really even been wearing lipstick, but I mean, you can't go wrong with lip gloss. But the lip gloss shade is one of the Patrick Star collections. This is in She Better Work. So yes. I'm going to spray my face again with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So that concludes this look. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my latest videos. Bye, y'all.